The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. We talked to master gardener Tami Gallagher about gardening trends and her hopes for the future of pro gardening.
I love the path that it's going in terms of it's more environmentally friendly. Um, you know, the use of native is great. I think that keeping in mind the entire ecosystem and the life cycles of all of the uh, little critters that are in the gardens is super important. Um, there's a little bit too much emphasis right now on attracting pollinators in their nectar gathering stage and forgetting about all the rest of the life cycles and the habitats and the food that they need in those life cycles. But I think we're getting there. So, the public education, I love that we're educating the public and that they're seeking their own education. And we're figuring out ways to plant more drought tolerant plants. We are, planting with more native, and I would like to see the professional gardening segment continue to expand. It's a viable segment of the industry, and I would like to see that continue to expand. I'd like to see more men in that segment. I'd like to see more women in the other segments, and then I'd like to see more women in the leadership part.